Kususangpo, and hello to every one of you. Welcome to Kezang's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share you a very simple recipe, which I generally call it as a comfort food, or I'm going to call all this episode Lockdown Comfort Food. So I'm going to share you a simple recipe today, what I'm going to make. So I'm going to be using coca noodles for my noodle soup today. And the other ingredients: green beans, carrot, tomato, garlic, cheese, this Amul cheese, cilantro, crushed red pepper, refined oil, salt, water, egg. So this egg, I'm going to be putting it on top of my noodle soup. I'm going to make poached egg and put it on top of it. Okay friends, with that said, let's get cooking. First I'm going to prepare my vegetable soup first. So for that I'm going to add all the ingredients together. Gonna make it a little spicy. Two tablespoons of oil, salt, cheese, water. So I'll be adding like 2 cups of water here, since this is going to be like noodle soup. Cover and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. Let's check how our vegetable soup is coming up. Let me taste salt. I'm adding some salt as per my taste bud. Lower your heat. Now you can add your noodles. I'm going to add a little bit of hot water because I think it needs a little more water for the soup. I'm just going to let it boil for 1 or 2 minutes and then take this off the flame or off the heat, because I don't want the noodle to overcook it. And I'm going to make the egg while this is going to sit aside. Taste salt one more time. Okay, this noodle is ready, and I'm going to keep it aside while I make the egg. Okay. So noodle is perfectly cooked.